Welcome back to the LA channel. Today I'm going to be upgrading this faucet. Oh, there's nothing wrong with this faucet in reality because we're going to be upgrading this faucet by adding a faucet extension. I want to tell you a little bit about this faucet extension. And after I explain this to you, you'll see the benefit of this product. And it just comes in this little pack. So it doesn't take up like a lot of space. I'm going to show you what's inside. So the first thing, if you just open it like this and find inside, is these rubber gaskets. You see these black things? So this is used when two metal threads are joined together to make a good seal. So the water doesn't get through here. I mean through here. And as you can see, this is the same thing here. But then how do you put it on? Because you need to put this rubber gasket that I found. You put it on here and then you screw it on with the gasket, with the rubber gasket on, as you can see. You'll also find in this packet a little wrench, but we'll be using a little more advanced. This wrench is called an adjustable wrench, and the reason why is because look, if you would twist this, it goes further here. But if you twist it this way, you can adjust it. You see? When you adjust it, you can make any size you want. But the most furthest you can go here, I'll show it to you, is when this thing is already sticking out here. No, this can never just go out like this. It cannot. Only the furthest it can go out is 1.5 inches. And don't be scared if this goes out like this. It will not go out entirely because it is meant to go that way. But I'm on the one trader, now I'm going to show you the adjustable faucet extender, which is right here if you would go further into the box. As you can see, it comes in really little packets. You expect it for it to be very small. But if you look in, let me open it. This is how it looks. So it's basically this is highly adjustable. You can turn this for 1,400 degrees. Because look, if this goes on this, you can put it like this, and then it can go like this. If you're trying to bathe or something. I mean, not bathe. That would be silly if you bathe here. It's better if you need to wash something higher than the sink. Before you can install this, we need to remove this old radiator, which I'll be using with my adjustable wrench. So first I need to put it very big here. Then I'm gonna make it small as it goes, as it's on here, as you can see. And wait, let me get it. Keep it like this, and then you twist it this way, which I think I need it tighter. No, I need to make it go. I need to make this go further right now because I didn't listen to my own experience. We do this, and you keep it very steady, and that's still not tight. So I'm going to do it this way because I'm not taking it in. I'm trying to take it out. So that's what I'm going to. And I'm just going to continue turning it. And if you keep doing it, you might be able to do it with your hands, which I find much more easier if you do two, because it only took me 2 swipes with this to be able. Ooh, that's some water it was holding. This was the old aerator that was in the faucet. First we have this rubber gasket. Then, so this is called an aerator. As you see, there's a piston, there's a filter that collects all of the debris here, as you can see, if you come close. And then here is the other side. cause the water to mix with the air. And as you can see here, we have the same thing. It's just this one's more advanced because it's bigger and it has more holes. Here it has a bigger filter. So let me show you how it looks when you turn on the faucet without an aerator. It's very bumpy, first of all. And the water comes out very rough and not soft, which I do not even want. Now we're ready to set our faucet extension. So first, there's 3 gaskets. You take out the biggest one, and then you put it in this side. Make sure that the smaller side is facing into the inside, and then you put it in very hard. So now like it's very soft. So I put this in, and this is gonna prevent the water. And yes, this. But before I screw it in, I'm gonna show you how the gasket works. So as you can see, this is a big gasket, not a little gasket. And as you can see, this gasket is gonna prevent the water from leaking out in these threads. So as we remember, I turned it left to unscrew. Now I'm gonna have to turn it this direction to screw it in. And now, as you can remember my plumbing rule, if you watch my plumbing video, you would remember there's a lot of gunk in here. If I would not be a handyman and I would never do this, I would think that there would also be a lot of gunk in here. But handymans are professionals. So yes, they know that stuff. I just got the thread and now I can screw it in. And yes, you might need a parent or an adult to help you because this is pretty tricky. And now as I can see, only this is turning, this cannot turn anymore. So that means it will go right there. But just see, I'm done doing it with my hands because now only this is not spinning. So I'm gonna have to use an adjustable wrench. But for some people, it's hard to do it. So they usually have a buddy help them hold this, or else this will go with that end. I don't want to like that, so yeah. So I'm going to do it. Some people like buddies to hold this while I'm spinning this, but I do not need a buddy. But I'm a handyman, so I know what I'm doing. I don't need a buddy. So now, some people need to have a buddy, but I do not need to have a buddy. Even though this is a little hard for me, this is probably going to be the final turn. Now I'm done with the adjustable lines. I'm going to put it outside, and I'm going to show you how this works. So this is perfect for cleaning. As you see, you have this mode, which is really good. We also have massage mode. And we also have a half massage, half water mode. You see, it's still halfway massage. And we have all of that, and we have all of that. So as I told you, this is perfect for cleaning. As you can see here. So if you need something that is higher than the sink, you could do this. But in this case, I don't have anything to put on, so I'll not be putting the stupid bill all the way there. Also, damage in my house, which I do not want. So this is how you do it. Listen. You know, this has, not any higher than this height. This is a salad. This is basically a salad, just in small. But you know the thing that I like about salads? There's nothing that goes water in the middle. It only goes from the side. And this is this. So when we try cleaning this, it's only gonna do something. Not all, because it's only gonna do the side. Into this mode, it's gonna do a little move, but it's still good. Because, can I tell you how to put the modes on? So first, I'm gonna turn off the water because it's just gonna get wasted off. And the mode is you see there's 3 parts, this one, and this one. So I'm gonna call this most little one 1, this one will be 2, and this one will be 3. So the 3 one, you have to grab and twist this way to make it be this way. But yeah, I didn't turn it. So this is how I get this mode by turning it clockwise. This is if you turn it this way. You can counterclockwise is this way, which how you turn it to make it be this massage mode. And to make it be the other mode, you have to twist it this way. So you could, if you go 2 back, you'll go in again. Same here. See, I just did 2 back. Here again, here again. Actually, you can twist it any way you want. So, parents, warn your kids not to do this. Don't even tell them this, because they're gonna hate it. Because look, if you have a kid, please don't watch this. That's what it can do. And this is what just happened. Which, the parents will not work. And it can get all this for all what? Which no one wants, which I'm not gonna do, okay? So, this is Faucet 10 cents. I'm gonna make it like this way. It looks so fluffy. It looks soft. It looks soft. This concludes our fun little project, and I think I'm done messing with my parents' money on their water bill. So now, this was a fun, easy upgrade that anyone can do in their home. This faucet extension is sold on Amazon, and it comes with this extraction at the most bottom if you forgot what I said how to do it. Instructions. If you're interested in this product, I'm gonna put a link in the description. So the product is included. I want to thank my dad for teaching me how to do this. Buy this and let me waste his water bills just for this video. I hope you like my video. I hope you will subscribe. And now, yes, I know the Young Handyman channel does this buy, but I think I'm a little too old for these buys. So I'm gonna do a regular buy. Hope you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video.